Welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today's video is a home tour of a small 1,400 square foot home, and we're going to go through the ins and outs of how I maximized the space and turned this house into a luxury oasis. I can't wait to get started. Let's go. We're going to start with this entryway, and I've already completed a video of how to turn an entryway that's not really an entryway into a statement area for your guests to be welcomed. And what you see now is the table that was placed outside of the door, and it's a small enough table. Look at the aesthetics that you see. We're going to see a lot of color in this house because these clients love color and they wanted no boring color at all. The kitchen is one of the biggest transformations in this house, and I took what was once a dark, small kitchen and completely blew everything out. Removed that low-budget microwave from above the stove and gave them a focal point and a featured wall in this small kitchen. It elevated everything and it just took the design style to the next level. The chimney hood, the featured marble tile that's just above the stove was the right ticket. Absolutely love this. And then there's just a mosaic on the side of the countertops. We added a farmhouse sink into this small kitchen, elevating the style even more. Perfect addition to this small kitchen. New appliances, quartz countertops made to look like marble. Absolutely stunning. Remember this small area where they sat and had coffee? The large clock on the left side of it, there was an unusable pantry on the right side. I'm going to give this a quick fix and actually install a perfect bistro with a storage bench and additional storage on the left side and the right side of the seat. Maximizing space in this small area, I took it from one thing to actually 3 different storage areas, and it's perfect. To the left of the bench, we've added an area for the microwave. There's a Cadillac door below the microwave that lifts out, and that's a coffee station. This bench maximizes storage because there are pull-out drawers below, extra storage to the left, and a pull-out pantry to the right that's much more functional for the space. The client's biggest complaint for this family room entertainment area was there was no fireplace. She wanted a fireplace in this area. There was no gas lines. We had to get really creative so that it could look professional and custom. And just like that, talk about getting creative on a budget. This is a retail fireplace. So you purchase the fireplace by itself, and then I commissioned a carpenter to slide the fireplace in and build the new entertainment center around the fireplace. This fireplace was placed on wheels so that if it ever needed maintenance, you just pull it out and push it back in. And the seating area before, the furniture was too large, overstated, and then just dark. The drapes were store-bought drapes. The sunlight just beamed through. The quick fix put shutters up, added beautiful panels. So you didn't need any drapes on the side to make the room feel heavy. Once I removed the drape, we were able to display their custom art pieces, added in tons of color. The husband's favorite color was orange and the green, hence the family room and great room area represents him. Then I'll show you guys the bedroom and you'll see the wife's favorite colors. I love the way all of this came out. I put in a brown floor and brought in some of the grays, so it neutralized a lot of those strong colors. There was a desk in the hallway leading to the bedroom area, and the clients felt as though they did not need this area. It was a wasted space. The desk was not going to be utilized, and it was in an awkward position. What I elected to do was maximize the space and had custom cabinetry commissioned and installed a shoe cubby. Absolutely love this idea. Coming in from the outdoors, a great place to just toss your shoes. And when the cabinet is closed, it just looks like additional storage, which is also perfect for an aesthetic value. You will not have the shoes openly displayed, and this is tucking everything away, keeping things in order. For the primary bathroom, the shower was very small, so I did enhance the shower depth a little bit. Added a mosaic tile on the back wall, have a feature wall with marble, a rain head shower, shampoo caddy, but this floor is wonderful. The client previously had problems with slipping and wanted something a little bit more sturdier. Painted out the cabinets and switched the countertops. I love this play on color, the dark gray and the white cabinets. It opens up the space. It allows it to be crisp and fresh. And the bedroom, which was kind of dark and gloomy, that bed was quite dated. It is a small space, keep that in mind, but this was the wife's area of having things the way she actually wanted, and boy, did she choose some wonderful things. This custom headboard is to die for. It is just beautiful with custom bedding. Purple is her favorite color, so we went crazy with the purple. That purple scroll wallpaper with the pink and then the gray, it's lovely. Added in chandeliers that hang from the ceiling. I love this aspect because it frees up the nightstands so that you're able to put other things on the nightstand.
I got high hopes. I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.